Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact error text and whether the failing program is 32-bit or 64-bit. Once done, download the Microsoft Visual C++ 2015-2019 redistributable for the matching architecture and run it as administrator. Choose Repair if offered. This installs Msvcp140.dll properly into system folders, which resolves most cases. Make sure to use official Microsoft packages. Do not copy random DLLs. And note that installing both x86 and x64 covers apps of both types. Next, you run integrity checks to repair corrupted files. Open command prompt as administrator and run sfc/scano. Wait for completion and follow any prompts. If issues persist, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, which fetches good files from Windows Update. Once those finish, make sure to reinstall the problematic application. That ensures it links to the newly repaired runtime. If an app installer offers a bundled redistributable, allow it to install so dependencies match exactly. Finally, reboot Windows and test the application. Many fixes require a restart to take effect. Make sure Windows Update and your drivers are current because driver conflicts can trigger runtime failures. Also check antivirus or security tools. They sometimes quarantine DLLs. Restore from quarantine if safe. If the error remains, try a system restore to a known good point or backup data and perform a clean install. A key troubleshooting tip: run Process Monitor or check Event Viewer to see which path the program expects the DLL.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.